Good day. In this recording, I am going to show you how to access the group's fund. We give out this information for people to know that we are very transparent. You will see how people deposit money and withdraw money, but it is referring to the entire fund. You will access it via web if you don't have a Metatrader. I use Metatrader 4. You can see the Metatrader 4 which I am using. I'm not sure, the screen is very small here, but this is my live account. I have opened 2 accounts whereby I am currently in negatives. I know the trade will recover later in the day. The total balance on the account is now 34,308. This is the current equity, $34,070. So you will like to have access to the entire account. Normally you will see history. History shows you, if you are very familiar or versatile with Metatrader, you will be able to see all the money being deposited and withdraw and being made under account history. But I will show this to you again if you are having web access. All of these are several deposit and withdrawals and distribution of money, of profit to their various owners. Like today, we had a deposit of only $400. Before then, we made a profit of $100 on one of the accounts, and yesterday or so, over the weekend, not yesterday, on Friday, somebody withdrew $40, and my performance fee was automatically calculated to be $12.28. So you can withdraw money anytime. You can deposit anytime, you can leave anytime. There is no restriction. This is real. All you need to do is to access your dashboard. How do you get to this type of MetaTrader via the web? You will use the information I gave to you earlier, and you will go to Swiss Market. Let's see, this is not the correct web browser. We'll go to Swiss Market because I have already been there before. Quickly, let me go back. I will go to Swiss Market. This is what I normally do anyway. It is always on top of my, or as part of my opened windows. I will click on this icon here. If I'm in the dashboard, I will click on Swiss Market icon. This will take me back to swissmarkets.com. My PC is a bit slow. It will take me back to swissmarkets.com. Here is the web trader here. You take the English one, web trader, you click on web trader to open, which means it's going to open the same MetaTrader which I was showing to you, but not on your desktop, but as a web application. As a web application, you can see it's already open, but before then, this is where you can open an account or log into an account. You don't log into demo account, you log into trade account. The account I have already logged in myself, but you will use the information which I gave to you. You will enter the login and the password, and you will choose real account. There are 2 types here. One is real, one is demo. So you choose real. So this is basically how to use the web trader to access the same information. In the web trader section, I'm closing this one, cancel. My PC is somehow slow today. Okay, you can, I'm not going to be teaching you Metatrader, but I want to teach you the basic of, seeing what we are doing. I'm only trading one particular currency, which is Japanese USD versus Japanese yen, and I'm trying to look for it here. Here it is. This is the only which is here actually, which is the one open. This is the only one. This is my main one, which I trade all the time. You can see the same information here. Trade, the total amount is 34,308. Of course, you won't see so many things because this is just investor password. You will not be able to trade. If you click here, you won't be able to trade. You can create a new chart if you want to. You can see so many symbols. You can see we can really trade so many, trade. We can trade equities, but I don't trade equities because I don't know how to trade equities. Or I don't want to start losing money in doing what I don't know how to do it. You have indices, you have energies, you have Meta. Actually, we can trade Bitcoins, but my specialty is just this. Where is it again? US Japanese yen currency, which is actually what is open now. This is what is open. You see, this chart is totally different from my chart. Let's see whether I can go back to my chart. My PC is slow. I will make this recording again another day. You see, this is my chart. This is the web version. Web trader, where are you? And then you can click on, please, I beg your pardon a bit. You can click on history, and in this history you will be able to see the same information which I was showing to you. Deposit, somebody deposits 180, deposit 500, 200, 230, 500, and so you will also see my profits which I'm making on the group account. And of course, you see, I want to show you a place. These are when we shared profit. Once profit is shared, your profit is automatically deposited back to your own trading account. There is no cheating. This is automatically done. And this is somebody who deposited 5,500. People are really depositing 1,000 and so on. And our last deposit for 4,200 last week, and we made some few profit, and somebody withdrew $40, maybe just to test, and so on, and the person's profit was given back to him or her, and I collected my performance fee. The next day, which is today, I make 160. Somebody deposited 400, and we have open trade, which we hope the open trade will return profit in due course. We say we need to be patient. I believe this will go up. These are my open trades here. I can trade like this. I can trade via my mobile app, but in most cases for my serious trading, I use my own desktop. You can see my desktop is a bit different. This is what I call fractal trading. I am not going to teach you that, like I keep on saying. This is my proprietary secret. I'm only going to be teaching people whom I am training to be forex entrepreneurs, or my strong IB, or introducing brokers. For now, training people on how to trade fractals is not in the picture. We want to get crowds, as many as possible. We say we want to build crowd for each person up to 5.7 million. It is possible. I designed the system. I know what I'm trying to say, or I know what I'm saying, and I want you to join me to push this to the highest limit. Okay, so you can access the group's account in different form using Metatrader or using the web trader. For your information's sake, this password is now available from the Facebook page. I have put a note: access to the group's fund You will click here, and you should be able to copy the password directly to your web browser if you are having difficulties. The password is HZ, H, small h, capital Z, P, capital C, small e, and capital I, and small l, 9. This is one that is giving people problem. Alternatively, you just copy here and paste, and you copy here and paste when you get to Swiss market. This is how to get to your fund. The entire fund, you are part of it, you are co-owner, it belongs to you. But if you are using it just to know whether if we are real, you can also use the public access to look at the fund. It is real. I am not so perfect or coherent in this particular video, but it gives you some kind of an idea on how to access your fund, which is the group fund I'm saying now. Limit capital, you go to Webtrader. Once you get to Webtrader, you click File, you click Login to Trade, and you copy those parameters here. You choose Real, and then off you go. You click OK. It will automatically open the account. You will hear a noise like this. It will tell you it is open, and you will see the open trades if we are on traded. Sorry, if we have open trades running, or you can go to the history and see what is happening in the account or in the entire fund. The fund belongs to you, not to me. So join us. If you have not joined yet, join, and then let's start making some money. Thank you very much.